Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with Hobby Store DK Cake Yarn. It's 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn and it's amber color. Its color code is 4008. Okay, and this day I am here with you to show stitches with different heights. So these are the basic stitches that we use in our crochet patterns, and each has a specific purpose, and these stitches are manipulated to create patterns. I am using a 4 mm hook. It is G hook, clover soft touch hook. I need a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle. I keep my tapestry needle always threaded. Okay, to begin with, I have just made a DC row and kept ready. I'm going to show you the different stitches with different heights. The first one is the slip stitch. So in the second I'm going to place a slip stitch. That's the shortest. And the next is your single crochet. The next one is your half double crochet. The next is double crochet, yarn over, insert, pull through 2, pull through 2. The next one is treble. I am not talking to you in US terminology. Yarn over twice. This is treble. Now yarn over 3 times is double treble. Yarn over 3 times, insert in the stitch, pick up the yarn, pull out, and do away 2 at a time. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we have done the double treble. Now triple treble. Yarn over 4 times. Insert the hook, pick up the yarn, and do away 2 at a time. The next we are going to do quadruple treble. We will have to yarn over 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And insert the hook in the stitch marked. Pick up the yarn, pull through. Then do 2 at a time. Yarn over, pull through 2 once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times, and 6 times. Next, then yarn over 6 times. That is quintuple triple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have sextuple treble. Sextuple treble is yarn over the hook 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You may be wondering where we use such long stitches or such. I think these are used in special patterns when you work your doilies and other things, advanced level crochet. There you use such long stitches, and these are usually placed 4 or 5 rows below or 6 rows below. Then we use such long and stitches. Now it is Septuple treble, wherein we yarn over 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Insert the hook, do away 2 at a time, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Next is octuple. Octuple treble, we yarn over 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And insert the hook in the stitch marked. So, and you will do away 2 at a time. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And the last one I'm going to show you is non-nipple treble, wherein you yarn over 10 times. Generally, they say yarn over 7 times, 8 times in the pattern instructions. They may not be giving these names. So insert the hook in the stitch marked and do away 2 at a time. Yarn over, pull through 2, 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 yarn over, pull through 2. Continue. So this is how we make the stitches. Thank you friends for watching this video. Tomorrow I'll be coming with these sort of stitches, but there are in between stitches to these. I'll be showcasing that tomorrow. Thank you friends for watching. Have a great day.